Welcome. In front of me I have Cubot X20 and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to simply go for the display, click on the wallpaper, and right now you can pick wallpaper app from your Cubot or go for the Google Photos. You can decide where you want to go. I'm going for wallpapers. And for example, I'm going to apply this wallpaper. So tap on it once and then click on the right upper corner on this marker to set wallpaper and choose the lock screen. As you can see right now, when we lock our screen and unlock, you can notice that our wallpaper has changed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.